Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Collaboration is the key to drive innovation. Innovation is indispensable to success. It is the process of converting workable, novel ideas into processes, products, and systems of value to the organization. New communication and collaboration techniques have rapidly increased. Social networking, web conferencing, and instant messaging have rapidly grown to huge proportions, enabling widespread business collaboration. Expanded communications capabilities have costs in both time and money, but these factors only point to the need for more effective ways of collaborating. Open innovations deliver significant value to organizations through identification and exploitation of complementary capability. Collaboration brings together colleagues with different views and life experiences where they may be working to speak new and creative ideas. Through effective knowledge sharing and communication, collaboration efforts can result in innovation at great speeds. In order to drive innovation, departments and project teams will need to collaborate effectively both internally and externally. Technology is continuing to lead the market from social networking to feature phones, and we are seeing operators move towards open platforms and operating models optimized for the real-time data search. From financial services to healthcare to media content delivery, communications is integrally involved at the forefront of the latest innovations. A high proportion, probably the majority of breakthrough advances being made today in these areas and more are made possible by those in the communications ecosystem. Let's look into today's headlines in VAR India. RBI imposed restrictions on MasterCard from onboarding any new cards in India. The Reserve Bank of India imposed restrictions on MasterCard from onboarding new domestic customers including debit, credit or prepaid onto its card network from July 22nd of 2021. The company has been found to be non-compliant with the directions on storage of payment system data. However, these curbs will not impact existing customers of MasterCard. Amazon acquires Facebook's satellite internet group. In an effort to provide internet access via satellite, Amazon acquired a team of more than a dozen Facebook employees based in Los Angeles in April to work on the initiative. Amazon paid Facebook an undisclosed amount as part of the deal, which now has the employees working on delivering internet connectivity from low Earth orbit satellites, that is LEO satellites, capable of delivering high-speed broadband internet. The deal bolsters Amazon's $10 billion effort to develop low Earth orbit satellites capable of delivering high-speed broadband internet. Dheeraj Pandey launches startup DevRev to bring developers closer to customers and revenue. Today's CTO can be tomorrow's CEO. It is absolutely true. It can be smelled from the vision of India-born former Nutanix co-founder and CEO Dheeraj Pandey formed a new software company that already has generated $50 million in seed funding and hired over 75 people and has a product ready to hit the market next year with a focus on bringing developers closer to customers and revenue. The objective of DevRev is to make life simpler for developers so they no longer have to work across silos of systems. Lenovo leads global PC shipments in Q2 2021. The global overall PC sales in Q2 2021 saw a 13% growth. The report includes sales of laptops, desktops, all-in-one computers, desktop towers and Chromebooks. The report of Canalys says that an estimated 82.3 million units were shipped in the second quarter of 2021. Lenovo led the way in terms of PC shipments in Q2 2021. It had shipped over 20 million units in the quarter compared to 17.4 million in the last one, accounting for a 14.7% year-on-year growth. HP has shipped the second most amount of PCs, followed by Dell, Apple and Acer. Fullerton India appoints Rahul Bharadwaj as the CIO. Fullerton India Credit Company appointed Rahul Bharadwaj as their Chief Information Officer and Head of Operations and Customer Service. He will be reporting to Pawan Kaushal, Chief Operating Officer. Rahul rejoins Fullerton India from Jio Payments Bank, where he was a part of the founding team and led the operations for Jio Payments Bank and Reliance Payment Solutions Limited. He has 25 years work experience and worked with various leading financial and technological institutions such as ICICI Bank, Aptech Internet and Globus Stores. That's it for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VAR India News Magazine. Stay tuned. Thank you.